limitation beta? Trigonometric values, logarithms and exponentials have no dimensions part of relation. And next one is this method fails if physical quantity depends on more than three physical quantities. More than three physical quantities. Because we know only three physical quantities: fundamental, mass, length, and time. We can give the limitations only for three, isn't it? So equating the power of mass, length, and time, we get three unknowns for me. So similar constraints is also been applicable for non-mechanical constants like say electricals and as well as of temperatures, everything. So this method fails to explain if a physical quantity is depending on more than three physical quantities. Okay. So next one is we cannot determine the value of dimensionless quantities. Some constants anukuntunnam kada, we cannot calculate the or determine the value of your dimensionless constants. They have to do it by experimental beta, but you can't do it out by the dimensions. What are the limitations of the dimensions beta? First one is trigonometric, logarithms and exponentials have no dimensions. Next one is this method fails if the physical quantity depends on more than three physical quantities, and we cannot determine the values of the dimensionless constants like say g value undi kada 96.16 10 to the power of minus 27. Alanti values ni we can't calculate the values of the constant part of a relation. Is it clear? Am I audible better? Sriram?
Oh, sorry, sir. I was on mute. I was like talking up and I was like, yes, sir, but I forgot something.
Okay, fine. Then see this question. This is also a very good question. The equation of a state of a real gas is given by P plus A by V square into V minus V is equals to R into T, where T is your absolute temperature, P is pressure, V is volume, R is universal gas constant. What are the dimensions of the constant A and B? I told you that we can add and subtract only if they are having the same physical quantities. So you are subtracting here means what should be the B value beta? B should be equal to V kada?
Yes, sir.
So if you are
Because
adding
we
or subtracting means you can add and subtract only if and only if they have same
same
dimensions.
time.
The
Yes.
dimensions of the B will be equal to how much for me? B is what here volume,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Here also if you are adding P plus A by V square means P must be equal to A by V square. Then only you can add, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
I can write here right now. This is the question number 15. Addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction have same units better. Have same unit, or I can say that they have your same dimension. Okay, so therefore I can say that dimensions of A by V square must be equal to dimensions of pressure. So this is your A divided by volume is nothing but how much for me? L cube to the power of your 2, that is equals to pressure. Pressure dimension is how much better? Pressure is equals to force by area. So just now I told you it
Yes,
is
sir.
m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So dimension of your A will become how much? This term will go here right now. So this one is your m. This is L to the power of 6 and this is L to the power of minus 1. That means it will become for me L to the power of 5 into T to the power of minus 2. So this is the dimension of your A. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So in this one, P plus A by V square means P must be equal to A by V square. P is nothing but pressure. Pressure dimension is how much for me? But this one, because pressure is equals to force by area. Dimension of force is nothing but m into L T power minus 2 divided by area is nothing but L square. This square will get cancelled. So it is m into L power minus 1 T power minus 2. This is the dimension of pressure. So A dimension is ml power 5 T power minus 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The same way. V minus B means what?
Uh, we
Dimensions of your B must be equal to your dimensions of your V.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా, isn't it? So you are adding or subtracting. That means dimensions of your V must be equal to dimensions of your V. So what are the dimensions of your V beta? L cube. That means B will be equal to your L cube.
LQ.
So dimension of the B will be equal to M0 L cube T0. So that will be the dimension of your B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope you got a rough idea related to this one.
Yes, sir.
Sixteenth one is find the values of A and B in the following cases. I'll tell you one case, the remaining you try to do it better. The velocity V of the ball falling freely under gravity is proportional to velocity V of the ball falling freely under gravity is proportional to G to the power of A, H to the power of B, where G is acceleration due to gravity, H is the height from which the ball is been dropped. So we need to calculate what the dimensions of A and as well as of your B part of relation. So first equation is given for me, first question. Velocity is directly proportional to your G to the power of your A, and another one is nothing but of your H to the power of your B. This is only the question. Na? The velocity V of a body falling freely under gravity is proportional to G to the power of A, H to the power of B, where G is acceleration due to gravity and H is your height. Now, what I told you, whenever we get in this one, you need to equate the powers on LHS and RHS. That
Yes,
means
sir.
velocity V is equals to, removing the proportionality constant, we get some K.
Okay,
This one is
G
nothing
equal
but
power A.
acceleration due to gravity to the power of your A, and this is height to the power of your B. Now, what is velocity beta? Dimensions of velocity, can you tell me? Dimension of velocity is L T power minus 1.
Yes, sir.
That will be equal to K. Acceleration due to gravity, L T power minus 2 to the power of your A.
A.
H is nothing but height. Height is nothing but length. Length to the power of your B.
B.
All the L terms you take on one side, so it is your K. This is L to the power of your A plus of your B. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Then the next one is T to the power of minus of your 2A. So here it is L to the power of 1, T to the power of minus 1. So comparing powers on LHS and right HS.
Yes.
Comparing powers. See how much I am getting better? A plus B will be equal to how much? 1.
1.
Minus 2A will be equal to minus 1.
Minus
That
1.
means A value will be equal to how much for me? 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So if A
Yes,
value
sir.
is 1 by 2, so from this one, 1 by 2 plus B is equals to 1. So B value will be equal to how much better?
1 minus 1 by 2, sir.
1 minus 1 by 2. That is how much for
1 by
me?
2.
1 by 2. So A value I got, B value I got. That means velocity is directly proportional to what right now? V is equals to K. This one is nothing but of your G to the power of your how much? 1 by 2 and H to the power of your 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means how you can write like this? V is equals to some constant K. This can be
under
written
root
as
of G by G into H.
K into H only. Na? This
Yes,
is
sir.
half only. Na?
Yes, sir, it is.
Isn't it? So this will be the answer. So we just asking the values of power same. Up to here only it's more than enough.
Yes,
A value is 1 by 2 and B value is 1 by 2 by definition.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Second one also I'll try to do. Third one you try to do on your own beta. Or else I'll try to do the fourth one. 2 and B and C you take it as homework beta. The speed of this sound V. The speed of sound V in a gaseous medium is proportional to your P to the power of A, rho to the power of B, where P is pressure, rho is the density of medium. Can you do it out beta? Same. V is, this one is nothing but D. I'm doing the D in this one. See here. Velocity is proportional to your P to the power of your A, density to the power of your B.
Yes.
Velocity dimension you write L T power minus 1 is equals to some constant K. Pressure dimension is how much better? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 to the power of A. Density dimension better? Density is equals to mass by volume.
Yes,
this will be equal to your M L to the power of your minus 3 to the power of your B.
Yes.
Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to your how much better? Some constant K. All the terms of your M you take common. So it is your M to the power of, this one is how much for me better? A. So it is M to the power of your A plus of your B. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
The next one is nothing but L. L to the power of minus A and L to the power of minus 3B. So this will be equal to how much better? Minus A minus of your 3B. The next one is a t. T to the power of your. This one is how much for me? Minus of your 2a. So dimension of this one is here how much for me? M0 L1 t power minus 1. So
Yes.
comparing the powers. Comparing the powers.
On RHS, we can take it as.
So it will be your a plus b will be equal to how much? 0. Minus a minus of 3b will be equal to 1. Power of your length.
Yes.
Then time period is minus 2a is equals to minus 1.
Yes.
So dimension of a will be equal to how much better? From this equation, I can write this minus will get cancelled. So dimensions of your a will be equal to 1 by 2.
Yes.
So
Sir.
substitute that one in this one. So I'll be getting right now 1 by 2 plus b is equals to 0. So b will be equal to how much better? Minus of 1 by 2.
Yes.
So dimension of a is 1 by 2 and dimension of b is minus 1 by 2.
1.
That means the dependence, if I'm writing right now here, v is equals to some constant k part of relation, p to the power of 1 by 2. Another one is nothing but density to the power of minus 1 by 2. That
Under
means this
root
can be
of
written
p
as
by
of your v is
root.
equals to k. This one is of your p to the power of 1 by 2 divided by density to the power of 1 by 2.
Yes.
That means v is equals to k under root of your p by rho. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So like that, you please try to complete B and C beta.
Yes, sir. I'll do.
So B and C, you try to do it compulsorily.
Okay, sir.
Then you can even do these questions also. You can try remaining all questions. I'll try to send you the assignments and I'll try to discuss all this one in the tomorrow session of your class. Fast.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay, na?
yes, sir.